Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Saliha from Odontocare Dental Clinic. In this video, let's discuss about tooth enamel, its erosion and restoration. Let's get into the video. Enamel is the thin outer covering of the tooth. This tough shell is the hardest tissue in the human body. Because enamel is translucent, you can see light through it. But the main portion of the tooth, the dentin, is the part that's responsible for your tooth color, whether white, off-white, grey or yellowish. Sometimes coffee, tea, cola, red wine, fruit juices and cigarettes stain in the enamel on your teeth. Enamel helps protect your teeth from daily use such as chewing, biting, crunching and grinding. Although enamel is a hard protector of teeth, it can chip and crack. Enamel also insulates the teeth from potentially painful temperatures and chemicals. When it erodes, you may notice that you react more to hot or cold foods, drinks and sweets since they can get through holes in your enamel to the nerves inside. Tooth erosion happens when acids wear away the enamel on teeth. Enamel erosion can be caused by having too many soft drinks, soft foods or candies, a diet high in sugar and starches. Number 2. Acid reflux disease or heartburn. These bring stomach acids up to the mouth where they can damage enamel. Number 3. Gastrointestinal problems, alcohol drinking and genetics. Saliva plays a key role in keeping teeth healthy and strong. Not only does saliva increases the health of the body tissues, it protects enamel by coating the teeth in protective calcium and other minerals. Saliva also dilutes erosive agents such as acid, removes waste material from the mouth and boosts protective substances that help fight mouth bacteria and diseases. The signs of enamel erosion can vary depending on this stage. Number 1. Sensitivity. Certain foods and temperature of foods may cause a twinge of pain in the early stage of enamel erosion. Number 2. Discoloration. As the enamel erodes and more dentin is exposed, the teeth may appear yellow. Number 3. Cracks and chips. The edges of teeth become more rough, irregular and jagged as enamel erodes. Number 4. Smooth, shiny surfaces on the teeth, a sign of mineral loss. Number 5. Severe painful sensitivity. In later stages of enamel erosion, teeth become extremely sensitive to temperatures and sweets. When enamel erodes, the tooth is more susceptible to cavities or tooth decay. When the tooth decay enters the hard enamel, it has entry to the main body of the tooth. Small cavities may cause no problems at first, but as cavities grow and penetrate the tooth, they can affect the tiny nerve fibers, resulting in an extremely painful abscess or infection. To prevent enamel loss and keep teeth healthy, be sure to brush, floss and rinse with a fluoride and antiseptic mouthwash daily. See your dentist every 6 months for regular checkups and cleaning. Exclude highly acidic foods and drinks. Drink more water throughout the day if you have low saliva volume or dry mouth. Use fluoride toothpaste. Use a soft toothbrush. Try not to brush too hard. Get treatment for conditions like bulimia, alcoholism or gastroesophageal reflux disease. Okay friends, I hope this video is useful. Subscribe to Dr. Odontocare for more interesting videos. Thank you.